Welcome to Career 360. Whether it's your first visit or your 360th, you're in for a treat. Now let's dive into another fantastic feature, Build Career Skills. Here's how you can make the most of it. In the top drop-down menu, hover over Build Career Skills. This menu offers a comprehensive range of resources, including creating a resume, cover letter, earning certifications, exploring internships, searching for jobs, preparing for an interview, negotiating an offer, and much more. Once you've chosen the career skill you want to develop, click on it. You'll be taken to a page packed with information and tools tailored to that specific skill. Each career skill page is designed to help you master the essential skills you need for success. Happy exploring! If you are a current online student or an alum, Career 360 empowers you to explore and navigate your own career development journey and achieve success. Students can access Career 360 directly through the Career Services website on MySNU. Bookmark our website at career360.snhu.edu.